पताक स्त्री पताको अर्ध पताक कर्तरे मुख मयूराख्यो अर्धचन्द्रश्च अराल शुकतुण्डक मुष्टिश्च शिखराख्यश्च कपित्थ कटकामुख सूचि चन्द्रकला पद्मकोश सर्पशीर तथा मृगशीर्ष सिंहमुख काङ्गुलश्च आलपद्मक चतुरो भ्रमरश्चैव हंसास्यो हंसपक्षक सन्दंशो मुकुलश्चैव ताम्रचूडस्त्रिशूलक इति असंयुत हस्तानाम अष्टाविंशति ऋता
I had been watching you perform the Asanyukta Hastas, and I'm really very happy to know that you practice before the class. Today we will learn the Sangyukta Hastas. So let us relax and sit down, and we will begin with the Sangyukta or the joint hand movements. Now the first Sangyukta Hasta is one that you all know and often use. Yes, this is called Anjali. So let us hear the shloka and perform the first set of Sangyukta Hastas.
Anjalischa kapotascha karkata swastikastatha.
Anjali is when the pataka hasta of the Sangyukta variety is joined. Then in Kapot, the middle part is kept slightly apart, but the tips of the fingers and the base of the palm are joined. Kapot. Karkata, when the fingers cross each other at the base. And according to the description in the Abhinaya Darpan, it can cross in this way, it can cross and again be joined, it can cross inwards. Okay, so this is Karkat, again this is Karkat. Swastika, Pataka Hasta, joined at the wrist to form the swastika image. So let us do these four.
Anjalischa Kapotascha Karkata Swastikastatha.
Now, the next set.
Dolahasta Pushpaputa Utasanga Shivalingaka.
Dola Hasta is when the Pataka Hasta points downwards and is in line with the thighs. Dola Hasta. Pushpaputa is when the Sharpa Shesha hands are joined, as if you're offering flowers. Pushpaputa. Okay. Then Utsanga, Mrigashesha hand. And the Abhinaya Darpan tells us that they are joined at the arms. So, this could be Utsanga and again joined at the arms, Utsanga. Shivalinga, Ardhachandra and Shikhara, like the Shivalinga. So let us do these four hastas.
Dolahasta Pushpaputa Utasanga Shivalingaka.
You now know 8 Sanyukta hastas. So let us do all 8 together.
Anjalischa Kapotascha Karkata Swastikastatha. Dolahasta Pushpaputa Utasanga Shivalingaka.
Now we come to 2 more. The next line of the shloka will describe them.
Katkavardhanashchaiva Kartari Swastikastatha.
You have learnt Katakamukha and these are joined, and you have also learnt Kartari Hasta and these are again joined in the form of a swastika. So, Katakavardhan and Kartari swastika. Let us do it with the shloka.
Kataka
Joined at the wrist.
Vardhanashchaiva Kartari Swastikastatha.
The next one is in a way a funny one because it shows a demon. So you have the Brahmara finger, but here instead of the middle and the thumb being joined, they are separated and they are kept here. Okay, so with the shloka.
शकटं शङ्खचक्रे च सम्पुट पाश कीलकौ.
So this line has quite a few hastas. Shakat. Then we have Shankha. The thumbs are joined. These three fingers are around the thumb. The index fingers are joined and the other three fingers cover the outside of the palm of the right hand. Shankha. Chakra. Ardhachandra hands joined. Chakra. Samputa is when you just sort of hold the hands. With the chakra, you just take the fingers and hold the palm. Samputa. Pash. So when the mushti hand is there and with the two index fingers, you hold the hands together. Then kilak is when you have the mukul hasta and the little fingers join. Okay, the mukul is a little more rounded. Okay, yes. I mean, at least in the case of kilaka. So let us do all these.
शकटं शङ्ख चक्रे च सम्पुट पाश कीलकौ.
So we will do these two lines together. Remember, in the first line this time we have just two hastas, and to make up for that in the second we have 6, right?
कटकावर्धनश्चैव कर्तरि स्वस्तिकस्तथा. शकटं शङ्खचक्रे च सम्पुट पाश कीलकौ.
Now the next line with the next set of hastas.
मत्स कूर्मो वराहश्च गरुडो नागबन्धक.
So we have the fish with its fins, okay, the fish. Kurmo is the tortoise. And you know that the first avatar is the fish, Matsya avatar. Then the second is the Kurma, the tortoise. Then Varaha is the third, where we have the boar, this hand, boar. Here it is bent, like it's more like Mrigashirsha joined together. Garuda is when the Ardhachandra is joined at the thumbs and you have the big bird, Garuda. Nagabandha Sharpa-Shirsha, hands joined at the wrist. Okay, so we will do it with the shloka.
Matsya Kurmo Varahascha Garudo Nagabandhaka.
And we have just 2 more left as per the Abhinay Darpan.
खट्वा भेरुण्ड इत्यते संख्याता संयुता करा.
So these are the 23 hastas that are mentioned in Abhinay Darpan. But some scholars say that there are 24 hastas. So this is the Avahita hasta. But as you see in the shloka, it is not mentioned. So actually in the shloka, we finish with Khatwa, where the middle 2 fingers are bent, index and little finger raised, and the thumb is joined. Then it is said that these middle fingers join. So they can join like this or like this. Both are used. Bherunda is when the Kapitha hands are joined at the wrist. So this shloka.
खट्वा भेरुण्ड इत्यते संख्याता संयुता करा.
So Sangyukta Kara, that is Sangyukta or joined hands, are these. And as the shloka says, there are 23. But I had mentioned that this is another addition which scholars believe in, Ala Padma hands joined, and it is called Avahita. So should we do it from the beginning? Come, with the shloka from the beginning, starting with Anjali.
अंजलिश्च कपोतश्च कर्कट स्वस्तिकस्तथा डोलाहस्त पुष्पपुट उत्संग शिवलिंगक कटका वर्धनश्चैव कर्तरी स्वस्तिकस्तथा शकटं शङ्ख चक्रे च सम्पुट पाश केलको मत्स कूर्मो वराहश्च गरुडो नाग बंधक खट्वा वेरुण्ड इत्यते संख्याता संयुता करा त्रयोविंशतिरित्युक्ता पूर्वगैर्भरता आदिभिः
So these are the 23 Sangyukta Hastas as the previous dancers and dramatists tell us. Bharat could mean Bharat Muni, the author of Natyashastra, but Bharat, as I told you earlier, also refers to any actor or dancer, someone who performs. Bharat from Bhava, Bha, Raga, Ra, Tala, Ta. So someone who is conversant with and excels in Bhava, Raga and Tala is Bharat. So our Bharats tell us that there are 23 Sangyukta Hastas, and these 23 you have learnt just now. We will revise all the Hastas beginning with the Asangyukta.
पताक स्त्री पताक आर्ध पताक करतरी मुख मयूराख्यो अर्धचन्द्रश्च अराल शुकतुण्डक मुष्टिश्च शिखराख्यश्च कपीथ कटकामुख सूचि चन्द्रकला पद्मकोश सर्प शीर तथा मृगशीर्ष सिंहमुख काङ्गुलश्च अलपद्मक चतुरो भ्रमरश्चैव हंसास्यो हंसपक्षक संदंशो मुकुलश्चैव ताम्रचूडस्त्री शूलक इति असंयुत हस्तानाम अष्टाविंशतिः विंशति ऋता
We will now go on to the Sanyukta Hastas, in which both the hands will be used. I'm sure you will do as well in them as you did in the case of Asanyukta Hastas. So, we will begin with Anjali Hasta, what we commonly call the Namaskar Hasta.
Anjaliश्च कपोतश्च कर्कट स्वस्तिकस्तथा डोलाहस्त पुष्पपुट उत्संग शिवलिंगक कटकावर्धनश्चैव कर्तरि स्वस्तिकस्तथा शकटं शङ्खचक्रे च सम्पुट पाश किलको मत्स्य कूर्मो वराहश्च गरुडो नागबन्धक खट्वा भेरुण्ड इत्यते संख्याता संयुता करा त्रयोविंशतिरित्युक्ता पूर्वगैर्भर तादिभिः
You have learnt the Asanyukta and the Sanyukta Hastas together with the shlokas from the Abhinay Darpan. So do practice all these hastas. In the next lesson, we will learn their viniyog, or how to use them. So I wish you all the best, and I do hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.